Indonesia punya satu pengusaha nyentrik yang meski kini telah tiada, kesuksesannya tetap dapat memotivasi calon-calon pengusaha di seantero negeri. Siapa lagi kalau bukan almarhum Bob Sadino. Pria yang lazim disapa Om Bob ini semasa hidupnya memang giat bekerja, mau memulai semuanya dari nol dan selalu belajar dari kegagalan. Meski terlahir dari keluarga yang berada dan memiliki harta warisan peninggalan orang tua, Bob muda tidak menghabiskan waktunya dengan hura-hura. Ia justru menghabiskan setengah harta warisannya untuk berkeliling dunia dan mencoba usaha apa saja sampai menjadi salah satu orang terkaya di Indonesia. Apa saja kiat-kiat sukses ala Bob Sadino? 1. Jangan kebanyakan mikir. Kata Bob Sadino, orang pintar itu kebanyakan mikir. Pikirannya banyak dan bercabang-cabang, melebar untuk sukses. Kita perlu fokus agar fokus kita perlu jadi orang bodoh. Artinya, ketika ada kesulitan, ya nggak usah mikir macam-macam. Cukup pikirkan satu solusi untuk menyelesaikan masalah yang ada di depan kita. Sisanya, ya pikir nanti sambil jalan. 2. Bebaskan diri dari 3 belenggu: ketakutan, harapan, dan cara berpikir. Pertama, jadilah orang berani. Jangan jadi pengecut. Kalau ada peluang, ambil saja. Jangan takut dengan risiko. Kedua, jangan berharap terlalu banyak. Namanya usaha pasti ada saat di mana kamu mengalami kegagalan. Gak bisa langsung berhasil. Wajarlah, sukses itu langkahnya panjang. Ketiga, berpikir itu harus, tapi gak usah jelimet juga. Semakin sederhana cara berpikirmu, semakin mudah pula kamu menemukan solusi atas masalah yang ada. 3. Belajar dari apa saja yang ada di sekelilingmu. Belajar itu nggak cuma dari sekolah dan universitas. Justru tempat belajar yang paling efektif adalah di masyarakat. Tempat sehari-hari kita bergaul, karena disitulah kita dihadapkan pada kejadian yang tak terkira dan dituntut untuk menyelesaikan masalah sendiri. 4. Jadilah gelas kosong. Setiap bertemu dengan orang baru, merasa dirimu pintar dan lebih segalanya dibandingkan dengan orang lain. Sukses akan semakin menjauh darimu. Ingat, setiap orang yang kita temui pasti tahu sesuatu yang kita nggak tahu sebelumnya. Jadi, bukalah pikiranmu untuk mengetahui hal-hal baru dari orang baru. 5. Jangan takut dan jangan malu gagal. Kalau gagal, jangan lalu sembunyi. Hadapi kegagalan dengan hati lapang dan pikiran terbuka. Lalu segera introspeksi diri. Apa yang salah? Apa yang kurang? Perbaiki. Kalau sekali gagal kamu berhenti, ya sudah, berarti kamu akan gagal selamanya. Ingat, sukses itu ribuan proses trial and error. 6. Rencana adalah bencana. Boleh kok berencana, tapi harus dieksekusi juga. Nanti sambil jalan pasti akan ada banyak perubahan. Jadi bikin rencana yang simpel saja. Eksekusi menentukan 90% kesuksesanmu loh. 7. Sukses sendirian? Mana bisa. Untuk sukses kita butuh orang lain juga. Jangan egois. Tapi kalau kata Bob Sadino sih, orang goblok butuh orang lain untuk mengejar kesuksesannya, yaitu mereka dengan gelar sarjana. Pedas memang, tapi benar sih. Hahaha.
And young people are the solutions for tomorrow. Young people are the solutions for all the worries. And young people, if you stay with them, you will be full of energetic. But the advice I give to the young people is that also the advice I give to myself, that nothing is easy. Nothing is free. If you want to be successful, you have to pay the price. Alibaba 18 years to today's size. Yeah, we are lucky, but we work much harder than most of the people. We never sleep well and sound in the evening. I traveled last year 867 hours a year in the plane. I'm working hard. my team worked very hard. 18 years, we worked like a normal company. 70 years. Day and night. Nothing is free. Nothing is easy. You have to think different. You have to do different. Early days in my company, when some ideas come to my desk, Jack, this is a great idea, and I look at everybody. Everybody say it is a good idea, I normally throw into the rubbish. Because everybody say it is good, then all the other people think of. If everybody say this is going to be very tough, I'm very interested in that tough question. And I pick up and say, how can we do it in a different way? This is to be unique, to be different. And third, this is my advice, and this is also I'm telling myself every day. Today is very tough. Tomorrow is more tougher. The day after tomorrow is beautiful, but most people die tomorrow evening. You have to work very hard. Every tough days, every tough situations, problems you meet, that is the training of yourself. When you graduate your school, you just start your career of learning. When you got a PhD diploma or bachelor diploma, this is just a certificate your parents paid the tuition for 4 years. Your real challenge is when you leave the college, the real life starts. The real exam starts. The real test starts. That's life. So, one thing you are lucky, as I said, if students cannot survive, 99.9% of people in the world cannot survive. Only you have this confidence, you will be able to face the challenge of future. So, when you are graduate, when you just in the university, don't think about, I want to resign from the school and be another Bill Gates, because Bill Gates left Harvard. There's only one Bill Gates in the world. So, the thing I learned is that don't give up. My opportunity has not come yet. When everybody complains, that is the opportunity. I always thought, when I was young, when I was graduate in the high school or university, I thought Bill Gates took off my job. Bill Gates did all the successful things. Larry Ellison from Oracle, they took all the wonderful opportunities. IBM benefit. We people have no opportunity. And I think I aim too high. I should aim to support and help the people around me. Do tiny things. I never thought I could be today. After 18 years, Alibaba become today's size. Not because I'm smart. I don't think I'm a smart person. But I work with a lot of smart people. And most of the smart people, they always want to do successful things. Quick, easy things. And I think it's not easy to be successful quickly. Every time, everything we do, we prepare for 10 years. I know I'm not smart. If we want to be successful, we have to win 10 years later. If we want to be successful, we have to work with smart people. If we want to be successful, we should make a lot of mistakes and never give up. A lot of people, they make mistakes, they have problems, they give up. We never give up. We learn from mistakes. And I think when we fail, the message, the experience that I want to give you, advice I want to give you, you will judge when this person will be successful or not by when he fails, he thinks it's his fault or the other fault. If he thinks, my fail because of the others, this guy has no chance. Those people who fail always think it is my fault. I did not do it properly. I should change here or change there. These guys have opportunities. So I learn a lot from those people who fail. I learn a lot from those people who made mistakes. I learn a lot from my mistakes. So this is my life attitude. When I fail, I say, see, I will fail. When I succeed, I say, well, I never know, I could be successful. This makes me very positive and optimistic. And because of so many mistakes, too much failure, that makes me never complain, because I get used to that. We are making mistakes every day, even to today. We made stupid decisions almost every day. Nobody knows. We thought it's smart, but finally proved stupid. But we learn, we do again. We learn, we do again. That's the way. That's the life attitude.